big box.
Yeah.
Are you ready to look in the box?
Yeah. What's in the box? I got mine. I got mine, Daddy.
What's
I
that?
got mine.
What is it? It's a picnic pot. What's that?
Bunny.
It's a fur ball.
Oh, it's
So cute.
baby bunny.
Aww.
It's a baby.
Oh,
Oh, wow. That's cool.
so cool.
Let's open.
Let's open. So, Puff got a Scruff-a-luv.
Is it me?
Yeah. Do you want to help? Will I help you open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what?
Oh,
Look, maybe
it's a poor abandoned Scruff-a-luv ball.
Aww.
Will we show him? He's a homeless little ball, isn't he?
Yeah.
And I think it's a girl, maybe, because it has a crown.
Oh, ground.
Yeah.
The ground? You look that.
And it has this very own brush.
Look.
I don't think it'll fit on your head. You're too big. A nice wee brush.
Yeah.
Don't pull it in case it breaks.
Look.
Okay, are you ready?
What's that? Ready?
Right, sit up on your knees. Go on your knees.
Yeah. What? Oh. Hey. Wait.
I know it's wet.
You know what is funny?
Okay. Want to wash him?
I can tell.
Yeah, he needs a wash. Because he was lost for so long, it's got all messy.
You need to do that.
Yeah, you can wash him.
Yeah. Look at it. Oh, this is it.
Oh, he's getting fluffy. Oh, wow.
Oh, it's a puppy. Look at it, puppy.
Look at his wee feet.
Oh, it's a puppy. It's
Aw.
puppy. It's a puppy. Oh.
Wow.
Can we switch to one?
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it cute?
It's a bunny here. Is a bunny here?
That's the bunny's hair, yeah.
It's like a brown.
Is he going to wear that?
Yeah.
Do you think he's all washed now?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Will we take him out?
Yeah.
Let's squash him. Ugh.
This is fast.
Okay, get his towel ready.
Okay.
You get his towel ready.
Go on.
Is it ready?
Yeah. Up. Oh.
I'll move his bath.
There he is. Oh, he's the towel.
There's his towel.
There he is.
Oh, wow.
Is this look at it?
I think he looks much happier.
Yeah.
Now he's had a bath.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Is he in his towel?
Yeah. What's that?
Doesn't it to dry his hair?
Is it mine?
Yeah, you're going to use your hairdryer to dry his hair, is that okay?
Yeah. What's funny that I put this here?
Yeah, I'm all dry.
You the brush? You the brush?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sam!
Okay.
Oh.
You gonna brush him?
Yeah.
Okay, sit nice. Sit nice, bunny. Do his tummy.
Yeah. Okay, feet is a lot of it.
Feet.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
No, with both feet.
What's his tail?
That's a tail.
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Oh, he's gonna shake. Oh no!
Ew.
I'll hold him and you dry.
Okay.
Now that he's all brushed.
What's that?
Ready?
Ready?
Here we go. Yeah, you get. Sit on. Sit on. Back on. You have your bunny?
Yeah.
She's all dry.
You have? You have?
Isn't she nice? And we're going to put on her crown.
Yeah. Careful. Careful.
Oh, she looks so pretty now. Doesn't she?
Hi.
Do you love her?
Yeah.
Give her a big cuddle. Aw, big hug. Say bye.
Bye.
Good girl.